Good morning all and welcome back to MicroStrategy Administration's class. And in this video, we are going to learn a very important topic, that's the managing to your project life cycles. And this is very important, important topics into your administration's life, because you are the one who are going to create the projects, duplicate the project, migrating the projects, and you are the responsible for these activities into your organizations. So there are a couple of phases which you need to understand, and in this video we are going to cover little bit theory, and as we usually do the practicals, this will be only the practical videos, but we are going to cover little bit theory also. So before starting this video guys, if you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe the channel and help us to get the 5,000 subscribers. Thank you. And let's start our today class. So we are going to first the overview of the life cycle. So the most projects, I think, in into your company as well, so whether this is the MicroStrategy or any kind of projects, every projects have a couple of life cycles. Like first phase always be the development phase, then the testing phase, and then it comes into finally into the production phase. So we usually have the three phase, three life cycle phase in for every projects. One is going to be developed and by the development team, and then you are going to be tested, and then last phase of your project always be the production. Right, so each environment is a separate project and that represents a different version of one project. So you can migrate, the object across three distinct micro strategy projects, from development to the development to the testing, then testing to the production phase. Right, so that's your jobs. That's you are going to manage how you are going to be, migrate from one phase to the different phase. So we usually, this is the at least three phase. There could be, the multiple phase you can add them. So it depends how you are going to be managed, but at least three phase always be there, whatever environment you are working in. So to migrate the objects from one phase to the different phase, we have a tool that is that's are the objects manager. That's the one, and second one is the project merge wizards, and we are going to take a look how you can utilize them. So while the object manager is a sufficient for the incremental change to your project, such as migrating the selected or the individual reports, right? So but the project's merge wizard is more efficient for the large scale migration, such as the copying all the project objects. So this is the basically difference. If you are going to be use you if your requirement is to migrate all the project objects, then you should use the project merge wizards tool. So let's start with our exercise, and you can take a look how we can use them. So right now we have only one. Let me just log in with my administrator first into my developer tool. You have to also log in into your developers tools to complete this exercise. So now you can see we have one project source, and you have two projects under this project source. That is the microsheet tutorials and this one. So for the management of the application life cycles, typically we can create two or the more environment, right? So we can then move the objects from this environment to the different environment into the testing environment, and then testing into the production environment. So in this exercise we are going to use the the objects manager to duplicating these microsheet tutorial projects, right, to create a new test projects for our testing phase. So that's fine. Then what the first step is, you need to go to your windows. Here you can see, and then you need to go to search the object manager. So you can see it here, that's the object manager going to be run by as administrator. I'm going to run it as an administrator, and this is the tool which we are going to use them. So here it will give you the options which project source you want to use them, right? So here I'm just going to cancel it, and then let me just expand this one. That's the, see, you can see the MicroStrategy objects manager here. And then you can go to the project, and I'm what our task is to create a one more replica or one more copy of my this project, so that we can test it them. This is, you can consider, this is our development phase, and now we are going to create uh, the testing phase of this project. So that's here. You can go to the projects here, and you can hit on duplicate project, and it this will give you the project duplications welcome windows. And then you can hit next, and here you can see the project source name. Here, if you have the multiple project source, you can find into from this drop down list, you can select the appropriate project source. And now I'm just going to enter my credentials here. Administrator, I'm just going to use administrator, and the password is blank, and then I'm going to hit next, and then it's going to connect with my project source. And under this project source, whatever projects you have, whatever projects are available under this project source, they are going to be so showing into these available projects, right? So our task is to create these microsheet tutorial projects, and I'm going to select them and then hit next. In this window, this is going to ask you on which project source you just want to move this project, which is going the project which we are going to create. So I'm going to select this one only, because we have this project source, and I'm just going to enter the user and name and the password again here, and then you can hit next, and you can see the Strenations project's name. So I'm going to remove it, and that's, I'm going to say, hey, this is my testing, that's the microsheet tutorial testing. And then you can uh, hit next, and I'm going to select my language for, or you can select all language, or any one of language. So we are going to select all languages here, right? So that's fine. Then here's next, and we are saying, hey, we are going to move all the objects, whatever objects are created, exist, or residing into this projects, the MicroStrategy tutorial. If you just want to migrate only the scheme objects, you can have, you also have the options. So but we are going to migrate all the objects here. So here you selected all the objects, all the users group, everything, right? And let's go to under the profiles. You can see guys, keep empty folder. We are not going to move the empty folder. If there is any empty folder, then that's fine. Then I'm not going to uh, create or duplicate the empty folders into my next the testing project. So that's fine, and rest I'm going to leave as defaults, and then hit next. And here you have the process options. Some option may not be available because the project is being duplicated within the same project source. If you have the different project source, then you can migrate into the any project source, and you may have the other options as well. That's fine, just leave all the options default. You don't need to make any changes here. Then hit next, and you have the options here, to see the event logs concurrently, event types, log errors and warnings only, or all logs. It depends how you are going to use them, right? So I'm just clearing it. I'm not interested anymore here in this at at this point. But yeah, it's a good idea to create the logs, because if there is any wrong, anything happen between your projects, or then during the duplicating your projects, then it's going to give you a insight into the error. So that's a good idea, but I'm just leaving it as unchecked, and then hit next. Also, I'm just clearing all the logs because I don't have also the disk space, more disk space, right? And then hit next. And here you can see you have the options to even the save it as as an XML file also. So the configuration object, duplicate, user and group. So events, no, you have a summary here for your projects. You can see the source of project name, that this one, then project source name, and my projects destination projects going to be this, but under the same modules, under the same module. Right now we can see only the two projects, and after this activity we are going to see one more projects, and then hit finish. So it will take some times. I have hit finish, it's not responding, and now it's started working. So guys, it will take couple of minutes to complete this activity, and in the meantime I'm just going to pausing these videos and we will resume once it's completed. Guys, now you can see the duplications has been finished, and it took around 11 minutes 31 seconds, but it depends how big your project is, how many objects has been created on into your project. So time will vary on your objects and on your project size. So I'm just clicking on OK, that's fine, and then you can hit exit, and then I'm fine with that. And here you go. You can see we have one more project's name, that's the microsheet tutorial testing. And if you just expand them, you will get the same kind of replica copy of your microsheet tutorial projects here also. If you just want to take a look whether this is right or not, under project subject area, right? So under the suppliers, yeah, here you see we have all the reports, everything, all the objects here. If you just want to take a look in the under the schema objects, we have the attributes, customers. So we have all these attributes, metrics, everything has been duplicated into this microstudy tutorial testing projects. Hope this video is going to help you a lot to duplicate your projects into your development phase to the testing, and then you can, once you completed the testing into this testing phase, then you can create another project source, that's the production source project. Okay guys, and thank you.